AI is massively helping people to create new jobs and start new business opportunities. Whether you have no money or you're looking for a side income, even if you are a 9-to-5 worker or a student, there are different types of businesses you can start now with AI, and it requires no money or even startup capital. So if you would like to learn how to actually start an AI-based business in 2026 with no money, even if you are in Lagos or in London or in Los Angeles, then this video is for you. Stay tuned, because I'm going to be sharing with you 4 different AI-based businesses that you can actually start right away, even immediately after watching this video. So if this interests you, even just a little, if this topic interests you, even if it's just a little, okay, hit the subscribe button and like this video so that it can get to even more people who would also be interested in knowing how to start their own AI-based businesses. If you're just seeing me for the first time, my name is Entrepreneurial Eriolua, and on this channel, I help you to actually discover and uncover business ideas that you are not even thinking of. I help you to know how to grow and build your own businesses using my own entrepreneurial business lessons, so that it can help you to fast track your own entrepreneurial journey. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. So here are 4 different AI-based businesses that you can actually start right away. The truth is that AI is massively revolutionizing the whole things about the job market, and the AI market has been projected to reach about $2.4 trillion by 2030. So if you are not jumping on that right now, then you're already way back. Okay, so even if you have no money at all, if you have no work experience or whatever, even if you are a fresh graduate from school, these 4 businesses I'm going to outlining in this video are what you can easily start. And some of them you are actually already doing with AI, but you are not just knowing that they are businesses that you can do. And so you can create them as businesses right away. Before you start any business, I discussed it in my how I started my own business with no capital back in 2014. I discussed it in a previous video on my channel about how I started my own business with no capital in 2014. The 4 kinds of capitals that you actually need to start your own business, okay? And so before you start any business, you need to know that whether it's in 2014 or in 2026 or whatever time, the principles are the same, just that the timing are different and then the approaches might be different, but the principles are all the same to start any business with no capital. So if you have not seen that video of how I actually started my own business in 2014 with no capital, please go back and watch it. I'm going to put the link down in the description of this video, because that foundational knowledge is important for you to understand what I'm going to be discussing even in this video. So the first AI-based business you can start with no money is AI content creation. Yes, you can literally create or build your own AI content creation agency, and you probably are already using some of these AIs for your normal daily activities, but you can turn it into something that will be making sustainable income for you. So talk about AI content creation agency. A lot of small businesses are out there, and that's the truth right now, okay? Let's be very practical. There are a lot of small businesses out there that need constant content for their brands, for them to sustain and to be consistent with their online presence. Even now, a lot of creators are coming up. Many creators are out there now, and people usually need content to put online, content to put out there to keep them consistent on the online space, which is, normal to keep you going on the online space. That consistency is needed. And the reality is that many people just want to focus on their businesses. Many creators just want to focus on producing their videos or their content, and they don't want to go through the hassle of trying to dig out and find out what is the next content or how to write it or script out their content. If this is what you can do, you are probably already using AI like ChatGPT. You can help creators to gather content for their brands, for their online presence. For example, a creator or a business will be on different social media platforms, like maybe like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and lots more, YouTube. Have you ever imagined how stressful or how much work it can be for that kind of creator to get different content around different contexts to put into their online brand or into their online platforms? That is where you can come in. You can reach out to all these small business owners or even big business owners that need to be consistent online. You can reach out to creators, help them to create content that is relevant to their own industry. So you can definitely do anything around what is relevant in their industries, what is relevant with trends, and produce it and become a content creation agency. And all of this is what you can do using AI. So the next AI-based business that you can start with no capital is AI music production. See guys, let's be factual here, okay? Let's be very practical. A lot of businesses and a lot of brands creating content for their online spaces or trying to build their online presence needs music, needs background music that is, free from copyright issues and that is licensed. You can step into that space. In fact, you can start your own music production. You can even have a specific avatar or character that can be your music artist, that can, you can start your own music production. You can even have a specific AI avatar or character that can be your music artist. So it will just be like a regular music artist that you can repeatedly produce songs with that AI avatar. And then you can use free tools like Suno and other music production AI, which are free versions, okay, that can help you to produce songs that people can watch. You can create a YouTube channel to post your music, and your AI avatar will be the regular artist that will always be singing your songs, okay? You can produce different kinds of music that is useful for creators, that is useful as entertainment, and people can get to watch, people can get to listen to them on platforms like Spotify and Apple Music. And then you can definitely turn that into a sustainable business that can make extra income for you. All right. The next one, which is the third one on this list, is AI prompt engineering. See, let's be honest. If you put anything into ChatGPT, for example, into AI, whatever you give AI is what is going to produce for you. So it is best if you know how to prompt AI to give the best results. You can actually create different prompts based on trends, based on data. You can inform AI based on industry trends, and then you can create different prompts that you can put together and engineer these prompts that it can give people results that will be relevant for their industries. So if you are good with using different prompts on AI to achieve a very significant result, something you want it to actually achieve, then you can turn this into a business. Because a lot of people just put random things into AI. Take for instance, if you tell AI, write a marketing script for me to market my product, the result you're going to have is definitely going to be different from somebody who specifies to AI that it should write a copy or a marketing script for a particular group of people, for a type of product, and for a particular demographic or at a particular location. The way you prompt AI is what will determine the kind of results you have. So if you know how to prompt AI properly to give the best results, you can definitely turn this into a business, curate different industry trends, like I said before, different industry data, different businesses, and different things that work for different businesses. Create this together, and then you can start creating those prompts and selling it out to people based on what you have been able to curate. As long as it gives results, people want faster, results, and that is why you are there. You can definitely use AI to help you to achieve this result. Now, the next one on my list of AI-based businesses you can start is AI marketing video creator. Yes, see, different businesses are looking at the best ways they can actually get their businesses to the right people with the best video ads or marketing ads. Many people don't know how to use their pictures or their content to create suitable or perfect ads that will convert. If you know how to use your creativity, put your creativity together to create perfect marketing videos, adverts that people will watch and they cannot say no, you can definitely use AI to even generate the script for that video. All right, and then you can use different AI tools like InVideo or Runway ML to create these videos, to create these marketing videos. You can take product pictures from these businesses, put your AI voiceovers, and create strong marketing videos for different businesses. And these are all AI based. So if you know how to use all these AI video tools, AI video creation tools, you can definitely start an AI marketing video business with no money at all. All these platforms, all these AI tools, many of them have free versions. You can definitely start with that. See, the thing is that all these things are what you're probably used to, but you're not just seeing the business opportunities in them. And that is what I'm here to help you discover on this channel, okay? So if this video has informed you in any way, or you think that you have found something that you can even start almost immediately, please hit the like button so that more people can get to see this and be informed and open their minds even to the opportunities of the different kind of businesses they can start with AI in 2026, even with no money. Do well to do your own further research on any of these tools that I have mentioned. And the most important thing is for you to take action, because taking action is actually what differentiates people who are just busy from people who have definite results. So if you liked this video, then you're going to like this next one where I listed even more AI-based businesses that you can start with no money. So till I see you in my next video, watch this one right now.